Well, that was truly disgusting. Oh. Even comes with a free smelly old sock. Yeah, I mean, obviously, I'm doing this to check for rust, but this needs to be cleaned anyway. So today, on this bright and sunny day, I've decided to tackle these manky old carpets here on the balcony at home. Just don't tell Miss Involvo'd. Well, that was truly disgusting. They could probably do with another pass, I suppose. This is why it's better to have, I suppose, like a pressure washer on low pressure from a distance, or at least a hose pipe, and just keep running the water through it until it runs clear, because there's so much like dirt and filth ingrained into the fibres of the carpet. But I think certainly that would have helped anyway. I'm sure they'll come up a lot nicer now. But yeah, I don't have a hose pipe here, so yeah, it's quite disgusting. As brown as you like. Yeah, I mean, it's just almost 30 years of fizzy drinks, McDonald's drive-through, Cokes, coffee, and all that sort of stuff. Or I mean, you know, I don't know. Could be either, couldn't it? But nasty. And don't tell Miss Involvo'd I've dried them off on the chairs either, because then I'll definitely be in trouble. Okay guys, so it's time to get the interior back inside Ruby. Yeah, she's looking very naked at the moment inside, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting it built back up, get the carpets back down, get the seats back in, and it starts looking like a car inside again. So yeah, I think with our red paintwork as well, we're going to start to see some real progress. I'm really looking forward to it. There's a red cap off a Polish vodka bottle. It was a Polish owner previously. I've seen his name in the logbook, and like, yeah, it's just so typical, isn't it? And it matches the colour of the car as well. It's like a faded sort of, starting to go pink. Definitely a considerable improvement. There's some kind of damage there, like stain that I can't get rid of. It's not melted, but yeah, I mean, like, the seat's got its salt and pepper back. It's not perfect. There is still some parts where it's a bit grotty, but guys, you saw me scrub and scrub and scrub. This blue like felt stuff was actually coming out of the carpet, so you know it's old, isn't it? So obviously I've got to go over the door cards as well. But do you know what I mean? She's just popping a little bit better, isn't she? Red outside, nice and navy blue inside. Yeah, she's looking a lot better, isn't she? She's starting to look like a car again now. A bit of a sort of last minute speed run, last few jobs to get it through the inspection, because yeah, I'm really running out of time. I've got a couple of days. So guys, another problem we've got is the reverse lights stay on. Back here underneath the car, we've got the wiring here for the reverse light switch. And you can see it's totally gone, or going. So basically those wires go to the reverse light switch that's on the gearbox. So when you're in reverse, it triggers the switch, then it sends power down to your rear reverse lights as opposed to your front reverse lights. I'm just glad it's looking like that and not the switch, because I mean the switches are hard enough to take out on a 940. On these, I don't even know how you do it without taking the gearbox out. So yeah, hopefully that's our main issue, isn't it? So yeah guys, you can see there the wires are okay. So I've just took up this this gaiter here, this rubber boot. So yeah, I consider myself quite lucky at the moment that I can actually repair these cars. I can't really repair these cars. Repair these wires in the car and push them back down, because that's all okay. So there we go guys, no more stuck on ignition lights. Yeah, this isn't, very in depth, but I don't really want to bore you with just me sat there repairing wires anyway. Guys, I was just digging around in here at these wires. Pulled this over. It's a spare bulb. Bonus find. So that must be the spare bulb compartment and the spare bulb adhesive. So also the horn doesn't work, so we're gonna have to see what's going on. She's pretty crusty as well. So yeah, we'll just disconnect this and then see if we've got power to it. So all I did was put power to the horn directly, nothing. So then, because I can't press the horn and do the test at the same time, I have to do this kind of weird janky method. I put another horn that I know works, connected it into this car. So we just need to order one of those and we should be good.